You got a link to the YouTube and
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's live right now.
everything. Good work, man. Q2 live. Let's go. Let's go, Snow. Yeah, I can hear you. You on Discord? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Discord. Um, Checking that, John. All right, cool. Shit's in my kitchen, man. Man, this shit here.
Yep, I don't give a fuck. Put it on. Yeah, there we go. We live. All right, looking great.
All
Looking
right.
straight. So I love in my channel.
And we got audio. They can hear the Discord. So.
All right, perfect. I just pulled you up. Looking good.
All right.
Uh, mm.
All right. Pop up the Discord real quick. This full screen.
So you love me. Breathing. All right, it's got to work.
Loud, bro. Loud. All right.
We here. Twin
Man.
Peaks. Rated.
All right, man. We're here. Twin Peaks Trading live session in the Discord. You're here. Got the boys here. Got Max Woods in the building. Got
That Corey building,
Corey
man.
in the
Part on
building.
Rated. So,
We are here. We're
what you got?
looking at some ES shorts. Let me clean my camera. Oh, fuzzy.
Say you love me. Tell me what's the reason. And Q really gonna show if this short's valid or not.
All
Because
right,
if
cool.
NQ breaks out,
Yeah, I mean, let's go take a look at the charts here. I haven't even looked at NQ today.
yeah. Got it up in correlation. It's right up in its zone. It's at the SL4 and last week high, so it's gonna short should be up here.
For so for dang, is this wicks up here? Gaps, no nothing. Yeah, NQ is looking strong.
Yeah, see.
Yeah,
Oh
NQ is
yeah,
looking.
because previous day is right there.
Nah, I don't know. I think that's a
It's
old.
in
That's an old
that
high.
oh, oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
And yesterday's candle was a red candle. It should back up. Should back up off it up here. Hey,
Yeah, 'cause last week high and previous day high right there. I mean, it's gonna show it. You gotta guess.
yeah.
For real, Istanbul just came out and said something. Trying
Word.
to work on, excuse me, not Istanbul, Lebanon just came out and said they're working on the ceasefire, extending the ceasefire rate.
All right, cool.
Lebanon president says negotiations on implementation of ceasefire. These boy playing what games?
All right, we are under headline risk. Watching for Nasdaq might push all the way to previous day before it sells. Cause
Yeah, that's fine
it's
because
no gap
I
up
got
here.
this Monday high.
Yeah, it's no gap or nothing up here, so it's got to go to like the. Let me check my big charts to see what levels we are encountering. think that is a
Yeah, I
Nas
got
is a Nasdaq the last one to make to take out the all time high.
double check.
I
Might be.
think it is.
I mean, it took it out. It took it out on Monday, or
Sure.
excuse me, Tuesday. Yesterday. That high it made yesterday. That's all time.
Really?
Yeah, that high it made
Oh yeah, I see it now. All right,
26.9. Yeah, that's all
yeah,
time.
yeah. All right.
So that's what yesterday high is the all time high short.
Yeah, we in price discovery like a bitch.
Like yes, bro. Like it's just gliding so crazy through this range because it's nothing here. It's
Nothing there.
trading in between that gap. Globex. Globex open. That's all we've been doing all week.
Yeah.
And Q just breaking out of it, the top of it, but literally, yes, it's still in the inside of it, I believe. Yeah, yes, is literally trading under the gap. It's literally testing the gap.
Yeah, I see it. It's right up under it, right up on it now.
Right up under the shit. Yeah. All right, cool. We're looking for yes shorts between 61.47, 61.60. Tracking candles. First sign to sell. We'll see where we're at.
Get my book ready,
Mm. Coming in with the for MES's 15-point stop, 300 risk. Put the 300 risk on the back end for me. 10 and we add and get the 6 with a 10-point stop.
man. All right, it's gonna spit out a 300 bracket. Why would this shit do this, bro? Change all the way back to.
Default on
Nah,
stuff is doing a lot right now.
yeah, this shit's just geeking out for no reason. Like literally.
They're doing a lot. It's like how the I'm expecting the email with the dang
It's like,
information. They didn't even send it out emails. Oh, close the account.
bro, what the fuck is this shit doing?
That
Alright,
nigga Protect probably ain't even CEO no more. Probably sold that.
yeah, he probably sold it. Alright,
He sold it to plus
first red
five, man.
candle, first red candle, red doji.
Red Doji, all right. Lincoln, give me 30 minutes.
Alright, it's been 30 seconds already.
All right, stop over 60. I'm ready. Put it on.
Alright, 4 lot.
4 lots. Should be a 15-point stop
Oh
for
my
3.
gosh.
After.
No, nothing.
Order filled.
Okay, pick it. Just stop at 65.
Trying to see. 64.75.
Okay, that's us, man. It works. Entry, what, 71.50?
71, 49, 75.
49.
Yeah. And the signal
Stop loss,
was
71.65.
yeah,
64.
71, 64, 75.
300.
300 risk. Targets first TP at 39. Second TP at 29. Get some lines, get some alerts.
Hit some lines, get some alerts. 49, so 39 would be our 10 in. But adding. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. That shit. Those just keys in them.
Yep.
It's a 4.4 to 1R. About
41 at the bottom. All right, cool.
yeah, 41 previous thing. Mm-mm-mm. All right. 39.75. Get that in.
Mm-mm-mm.
It's an EQ alert.
And kill it. Shit's gas. Just came out. Every time. Every time. Something comes out right when I put it on. Up to
Company
physical.
Google for lab to advance agentic
And physical
physical AI.
AI.
Wow.
It's big.
Fucking AI news.
AI news, yeah. It's earning season, so
Mm.
Alright.
That's what I'm here to do, man.
Yeah, bro.
I'm supposed to lose, lose, lose. And
That's what it is.
that's the plan. Yeah, it's short. It's signal entry candle A plus.
Yeah, yeah. Entry candle A plus, and then got in at 49.
Mm.
Call out was 47. So entry's great. Not gonna,
Yeah,
not gonna get no better than that.
gas is great. Yeah, you can get no better than that, bro. What I gotta do.
That's what we gotta do.
Watch out to lose. Watch out to lose, bro.
Yeah.
Duck no smoke. You ain't duck no smoke.
Stop streaming on here. Close this out. Alright. Alright, man. We just entered ES shorts at 71.49. Yeah. See how it goes.
Yeah,
Going against us right now.
yeah.
But
Going against this right now a little bit. But 300 risk 4 to 1 yards to previous day lows 1200, 1295 with the probe. Oh, perfect ROI.
yeah, perfect
That's what I gotta put
ROI.
on
Yeah, that's what we got to put
every
on
time.
every time.
Every time,
Systematically,
bro.
that's what we on.
Systematically. Bro. And I don't give a
And I
no
don't
matter
give a
what I'm
damn.
in.
I don't give a
I
damn.
ain't.
All right, cool. We're gonna let this cook.
It's
Twin
good,
Peaks
man.
Live Trade in episode 1. We are here. Um, Good to see you guys. Missed you guys. We will be here
Miss you guys.
every day around 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, good to see you guys.
Good to see you guys. Good work. Good work.
All right, so we'll be in the booth. I'll let the trade play out for a few. Tap in at opening bell. Check out some news sources. About to go by Al Jazeera. Check out some news. And yeah, it's,
Perfect.
got a trade on right now, so let's keep scoping the market, see what's going on.
Listen, I got alert set for stop out. I got alert set for 60, which is the Monday high zone. 65 for the stop out. 39 for the TP1. 29 for TP2s.
All right, cool.
It's all set, boys. Sit back and let this thing work.
All right,
Oh.
gonna plank on some news. See what we got. Iran capturing vessels in the Strait of Hormuz amid the U.S. blockade. Yes, sir.
So we are here. My job is done.
Job is done. Wait and watch season. Check
Anyway,
season.
A plus on entry. Now just got to get A on profit taking, and that's going to be their SL hit. Add in that TP1. Whichever way.
Alright. Yeah, Trump extends. That's what we're getting. Stock rises because Trump extends ceasefire.
There yesterday. That's
Huh?
everybody waiting to see because he said that they extended ceasefire, and Iran said they ain't on that. So what you got to see today is pretty much what that first headline showing Iran blocking ships by themselves. I
Yeah,
mean, Iran ain't like
that
damn,
yeah that mean ain't no.
Iran ain't gonna escalate.
Yeah, they gonna escalate the shit.
Possible.
Yeah. All right, cool. Sounds good. Sounds
But
good.
that's for the dead, good risk, good ROI.
Yeah, good risk. Good. All right. What we here to do, boys? What we here to do?
Time. Fucking AI news.
AI news, crazy.
Uh,
Is anybody else getting cooked right now?
for real, nigga,
I'm getting
getting worked
fucking
right.
souffle right now.
I see to a meme today, niggas on a boat said, fuck this, I'm going to Strait of Hormuz to see what's happening in real time. I'm getting cooked.
Nigga, this firms, actual firms are doing that, sending niggas to the strait on boats to see what's going on.
Yeah,
Had it, they
guys
didn't.
too, bro, because these niggas lying so bad, bro. It's
Yeah,
like,
bro.
lying fucking bad.
It's just like it's crazy. It's all good. Price
Yeah.
is strong. It's correlated green. Our signal was short. Gotta take the signal, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, I gotta take the
I
signal,
can't be
bro. I mean,
picking and
I'm
choosing signals like this or that or that or this. Like,
yeah, and it's the 60s. Like, yeah, bro, if it gets squashed, it gets squashed, bro.
yeah,
Can't, bro, fuck, we gotta put this shit on, get on, bro.
yeah. I just gotta put it on and
Got a lot of other shit to do, bro.
yeah, bro, for real.
A lot of other shit to do, for real. This has to be. This is what systematic trading looks like, for real. Signal, signal entry, put it on, let it work. Get stopped out, add it to the batch. Ends add it to the batch. Shit
Yeah,
don't even
that's
fucking.
it.
So there you go, say because
Yeah.
it's just work. It's just work, dog. Sadly.
Yeah, that nigga Trav said, nigga, entrepreneurship, shit, fucking dog work, boy. Nigga, this shit dog work, nigga.
Work, nigga. You feel
Real.
me?
Nothing easy,
Nigga
nigga.
doing.
You gonna be scrappy for this shit.
Yeah, but trench warfare. So you're gonna have to maneuver. You're gonna have to hit the backstroke, the butterfly.
Real. Gotta swim, boy, in that water.
Whatever you gotta do in that water.
Ah, alright. I got screens on. Screens on
All right, yeah.
trades. Taking my
Yeah, I got
ass
screens
down.
on and I got to wear shit. I'm about
Black.
to take a fucking
Yeah,
about to
black.
go get my car wash.
You better go to the car wash.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the car wash. Fuck it.
I feel you. About to be
Get the
chilling.
car wash. Go stop by my man's now.
Yeah.
About my day in the live. Feel me? Miss you too, man. Been on the road to live funded. Very beautiful. Bro, right now we're funded. Working on pulling show to go to live. So the journey continues, man. So
Yeah, journey continues, man.
we haven't been here, but the journey has been continuing.
Ding, ding, ding. Ah, man. Hmm. I don't know whether to get, whether to win or loss. Anytime. Ah. And Nasdaq is leading. Last Nasdaq is leading, and the ES and the YM are at the same exact percentage.
Hmm. Yeah, like I said, if EQ pops that weekly level, the trade is cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. It's just against the strong daily levels, but whatever the Cody's got plans. Trying to be on the right side of that's
Yeah. Alright, cool. This shit play at.
yeah, let it play out, man. Good work. Get the charts on the screen and put the data out.
Yep.
Sit for the day. That's trading, guys. Pick your location. Stick to it. Let it work. All these memes been going around talking about the set and forget, showing like when price get right up against your TP and you miss it.
For real.
I think it's like never again.
Facts.
Never again. But yeah, the hours been curling up nicely.
Take a look at it.
Curling
What
up.
his TP was short, didn't get hit or something.
Yeah, it got like right above, like a tick above their TP, and it didn't get hit. Came back and the fucking price that reversed on them.
Yeah, I've been noticing, bro. When that happens, if you would have had your TP on the body of the candle, you probably would have got it. I've been
Yeah,
considering putting my TPs on the body of the candle instead of the full high.
Nah, that's what's
yeah,
that's probably way
'cause that's a
smart.
fact. That's just like a in volume TP. You know what I'm saying? Those in volume
Yeah,
ones usually get hit when it's inside that camera range.
Yeah, people usually sitting their TPs on the wick and outside the wick, and the body gets touched and turns around. You see
For
them
real.
usually.
Yeah, and Q trying to gas. It's frothy, brother.
Down, down.
All right, guys, we here. Let the trade play out, man.
All right,
Got
cool.
alert set for the add-ins, for the cooking, so forget.
All right, cool. Yeah, we good.
All right, cool, good work, man.
Thing cooking.
About to, about to get some air
All right, cool. Sam, about to take a breather.
and the bed again. Good work.
All right.
you're one sentence away from launching your website with Base 44. Since the beginning of the internet, there's never been such a fun, fast, and intelligent way to launch online. Landing pages, content
side of this channel here. So waiting to see some kind of a spark on MU, similar to SMDK, right? SMDK, another one that's just been sort of silent, really sideways consolidation. And so, I mean, a little bit of time correction is probably the call, right? Get the daily 20 to catch up, stay sideways, MU, stay sideways, get the moving averages to catch up, right? A little bit of time correction here probably doesn't hurt. WDC, this one is another, this thing's just been straight up to the right. STX up and to the right. So these memory names are still very strong. I think the best opportunity right now is to see when MU finds that spark, because I really do believe it's going to find the spark. Right? Look at the daily chart here on MU. MU is perfectly holding above these previous highs. Look at this hold. Right? A beautiful daily structure being built here. I'm gonna delete some of these levels personally because they're just sort of irrelevant at this point. Just clean up this chart a tad. So looking at this daily chart, look at this. Highs, highs, lows. So as long as MU is holding above that 440, 436, you are structuring on the daily chart above previous highs. And eventually this is going to lead to a breakout. But it's the matter of when. That's what I'm waiting for. Dell, incredible, man. There was one day to catch Dell. There was only one opportunity. It was right here. This was your opportunity to catch Dell. It was right on Friday of last week. Friday, and maybe if you just went long on Monday at the open. But after that, pretty hard to catch, be a part of this move. You had Wednesday's highs, you had Monday's highs, and look at the Friday hold of that level. That is incredible, right? Break, retest, holding above previous double top highs. That was your opportunity right there. Drop. Long, and then just absolute gone.
Yo,
since
bro,
then.
You see that drop?
So not much to say on Dell. You need a pullback at this point. You can't get caught chasing up into this move. Pullback long, 205. That's really it for me on that one. Sometimes things are just gone, right? And we have to accept it. We have to accept it.
What do you say, Mo?
ES turned around. Fell off the top ropes. Need to get through this 1 hour fair value gap, but if it does, we should be good.
Yeah, EQ turned around too right at previous.
Okay, I touched it. All right, Ben, I'm here. Do you think, buddy?
I'm there.
Okay. Done. Arm. Broadcom. I mean, semis are just sort of on one, huh? Congratulations to the long term. Broadcom, really nothing for me today on Broadcom. It's right into all-time highs. The best trade was back at the 395 demand, right? This was your best trade. 395 demand, 392 demand. You're up into all-time highs. Maybe it breaks through them today, but I would prefer to be long off the demand level. Last semiconductor we'll look at today is Intel. Intel does have earnings, so I'm not sure I'm interested in the Intel move, but I just wanted to point out for you guys that are probably, some of you guys are probably watching Intel. Right here, the weekly highs. That's all I want you to watch. See these weekly highs? This is back from 2020 and 2021. You have a weekly high, 68.50 to 69.29. That's right here. Right where you're rejecting. And it's right here, right? So that weekly high, I'm going to say you don't break that prior to earnings. I'm going to say that if you're going to break that, it's going to be through an earnings catalyst, right? Okay. Let's jump into some tech. Let's jump into some tech. Let's go to Microsoft. So Microsoft, interesting trade for me. Why is she talking to me? Microsoft, very interesting trade for me. Looking to see if Microsoft can maintain above these 4-hour highs here. Really nice structure, holding above that level right there on Microsoft, building back higher yesterday. Daily chart looks nice. Looking at this daily chart, we can see we have a previous daily high here, which is turning into daily lows. So I'm very much interested in Microsoft trying to continue to the upside. The only concern I have with Microsoft is that we do have this daily 100 at 431.58. I'd love to see Microsoft go ahead and test that level today. If you can get above that 431.58, then I think Microsoft can continue to 438, 440. I like Microsoft to outperform in the market. It's on a comeback move. I think there's some reason for it to come back. It's still well off the highs, right? If we're looking at this weekly chart, still well off the highs, still plenty of room to battle back. And I like ultimately this target here. I think this is a very realistic target at 440, 442. That's really where I'm looking for Microsoft to trade up into, right there. 440, 442, watching that level, looking to see if we can get up into there. Daily 100 is a problem though. We'll have to get above that. Meta. I like the Meta holds, guys. Good holds on Meta. Look at this demand. Highs, lows, 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 lows. I mean, look at all the demand that continues to step up. 670, 668. If Meta can flip over 678.50 and the daily 200, that's a watch for me. Google, a little bit of a pop this morning, a little bit of news. Nice pullback, finally. We've been talking about Google needing a pullback to 328. Look at the pullback yesterday. A little bit too much of a channel for me to even like, to really like anything here, guys, right? I mean, I would just sort of set an alert maybe over 340, see if we get above that. Without that, I don't really have a trade inside of the channel, right? When you see a stock that's been consolidating like this, there's only two trades. It's either here, it's a rejection here, or it's, I guess you could call it three trades, or it's a break and hold above it, right? So for me, there's not really anything there. That's a monitor with alerts, and just wait to see if it can break the channel. Amazon, very similar story here. Look at Amazon, guys. Lows, clear highs. You just gotta wait. That's all you can do. You just gotta wait to see if it can get through it. IGV, great push and hit our target on IGV. This is it. I mean, this is the big kahuna here for IGV, for the software stocks. Can it get above this daily high? If IGV can break above this daily high and hold above this, it's a true comeback move, right? It's a true comeback move. That's over 88.58. We need to see that happen. NBIS, CRWV, still some good pullbacks here. Nice consolidation. I want to see if it can maybe hold above 160 again today. That's something I'm going to be watching. Holds over 160. CRWV looks like it's definitely a matter of time type of setup. The daily chart holding above daily highs. Look at this 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart holding key demand here, 110, 114. It's a nice consolidation, right? We're consolidating after a big move. As long as we can hold this consolidation and find that next leg higher, I think this is a great look. Right now, you can continue to see this demand getting stepped up, right in here. Continues to get stepped up, 110, 114. We'll have to see if we can get more. We'll have to see if we can get more. UNH. So UNH, not really any. Yeah, a lot of stocks just not. I'll review my top watches today, but right now a lot of these names just really aren't interesting for trading today. This one not really interesting for me. The only interesting trade for me on UNH is a failure below this 345.23 for a gap fill to the downside. That would be somewhat interesting to me, but it's not really doing that, right? I don't really see much clarity there. So again, I don't really like it. So one of the things that I'm very focused on today is Bitcoin and crypto. And right now you can see that we have a strong crypto move this morning, and possibly we could be on the verge of a crypto breakout. So if that is the truth, then I want to be watching Coin, Hood, and Circle. All right, these are the stocks that I continue to watch. Coinbase had a nasty rejection off that major supply yesterday, which is fine. We're still holding above demand, and we're still channeling, right? So I'm okay with this channel. Over 216, that is definitely a watch for me. Circle, another one that I'm continuing to watch, right? Circle pullback yesterday, holding the daily 20, above the daily 50 still. I like this pullback. If we pull a retracement tool, this is roughly a 50% retracement of this previous move right here. right? So we're pulling back, we're tracing into that key demand level. I don't mind this pullback. Crypto is strong this morning, so I'll look to see if that turns into a nice 4-hour hold, right? Previous highs here, turning into attempts of lows here. I'd like to see if Circle can build back out of this demand zone and create that break and retest long. And then Hood, as you guys know, has been something that I've been watching very closely. Hood continues to hold above this 4-hour high. Take a look at this. Hood's probably the best looking one. Look at this 4-hour high on Hood. Look at how this continues to hold. So really nice hold still on this crypto move. Wondering to see if there's an expansion move here coming soon. Just got to stay patient right now. CrowdStrike is on the verge of a pretty nice move here. Take a look at CrowdStrike, guys. CrowdStrike, 4-hour, right? 4-hour highs, 4-hour high. That's 450. Okay, take a look at 450 here. 450 is right below current price action. If we hold above 450 today on CrowdStrike and break above the 200 SMA, this could be a big opportunity. So watch CrowdStrike 450. Look at the daily chart. 450 reclaims is no joke. If we reclaim 450 on CrowdStrike, get above the 200, I think you could trade up to 487. So watching 450 on CrowdStrike very closely, that's another one that would benefit from a strong software market, IGV, if that's strong again today. All right, that's going to be it for me today. You want to look at Boeing margin? Let's take a look. Boeing, BA. Okay, so it looks like we're rejecting. Oh, we're getting through it again. So we're strong this morning? Yeah. All right, let me go back to the weekly chart here. Let me go to the daily. So this is definitely the area that you want to see reclaim. We've had this level actually. Hold on, we might have to expand this a tad bit. This daily low, let's take a look at that. Yeah, I would say margin, you want to get a hold above this daily low right here. That's 229. 229 would be my magic number there. 229, this daily low. See these daily lows right there? And this daily low? Right now, you are holding above the 200, the 50, and the 100, which is good. It's a nice little hold right there. Look at that hold right there. 229, yep, that's the magic number. I want to see that hold. 229. Yeah, Oracle. Really good holds. Look at this. Look at the daily chart holds. I like Oracle a lot. 170, we talked about this yesterday. Nice daily chart reclaim of these highs. That's really nice. This is what a lot of stocks are doing right now, guys, right? Look at Microsoft. Look how similar these charts are, okay? This is how we're going to end the stream. Look at how similar some of these charts are. See this on Microsoft? Look at this. That is exactly Oracle. I mean, it's funny. Let me put Oracle on top of this chart. Watch this. Watch this. Add study, compare with, custom symbol. Let's put Oracle on the chart. Okay, now let's do this. Let's make this a candle. Let's make it white. And, look, I mean, look at that. It's literally identical. Look at the moves on Oracle and Microsoft here. Let's try to line. Wow. Those are two different stocks, guys. Look at that. It's identical. That's funny. Isn't it? So, that is, right now, right? Microsoft holding above previous highs, right there, right? And then that is Oracle holding above previous highs, right here. Exact same charts. And those are the exact same sort of software, type stocks in that same sector. So, yeah, I like it. As long as you hold above that 170 spot on Oracle, you probably should move. Yeah, you can hold over. What's this? Hold on. 185.31. Are we over 185.31 this morning? Yeah, if we hold above 185.31, that's another big reclaim. Above that, you might be targeting that 200 SMA area. you could very well be targeting that 200 SMA area. So, yeah, I don't mind Oracle today, holding this 185.31 high. This is actually a high from yesterday and a high from Friday as well. Look at that.
Tone, why should people join us on April 23rd through the 25th for the AI Advantage Summit?
Because I know you.
tapped 3950 bus. Goes under 39. Add in 2 cones.
Need better internet? Cox Internet has the fast, reliable speeds you're looking for. Get Cox 300 meg internet with a 2-year plan price lock guarantee, plus equipment included. Switch today. Taxes and fees excluded from price guarantee.
Unlike other AI, Slackbot lives in Slack. It understands you, your team, and your work, so you can ask it for help with anything.
Can I ask it to summarize client feedback?
Yes.
Can I ask it to find time for a meeting?
Absolutely.
Can I ask it to turn our meeting notes into a launch plan?
Sure.
Can I ask it to call me the boss?
Actually, you can. See how Slackbot can turn you into the boss at slack.com/meet-slackbot.
Under it too. Alright, 1 second, boss. Alright, so one more. Add 2, okay. Add 2. Alright, selling.
Order filled.
Alright, sold 2. 46. Alright, I just moved it in, so now we're risking 380. It's at 59. Alright, it's gonna be a price though for us. There's a couple points where I'd rather spend the I'd rather spend the 80. This is when we're right risk expansion. Yeah, not too thick, but you see what I'm saying? As we're right, put more on the trade, you know what I mean? For real, don't just, blindly ring it in like, yeah, if it's one of them, we need to put more risk on it. rather than take risk off of it. You know what I mean? Pay the price, pay the fee, bro. Pay the fee. All right, cool. Okay, all right, I got you. Here. All right.
Hey, Mom, now that I have an after-school job, I think I want to buy a drum kit.
Okay, Rockstar. Let's look at.
Eventually, getting a phone for $0 is too good to be true. A hassle, but
Alright, guys, you should be able to see my face. What time is it? Just had a. Is it 15? Yeah. Just had a big spike. Missed it. Didn't see it. Let me make sure my audio is good. Alright, my audio is good. Alright, cool. So we're in shorts. Watching to see what's gonna happen down here. Hit our first TP, added in 2 contracts. Once we get down to TP2, it's gonna be our break even. And we'll be looking around to take some profit too. But yeah, just wanted to tap in with you guys. Appreciate everyone that's been coming through. We'll be here every day, getting back on our YouTube grind. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to break, start breaking down structure right here, break structure here, break structure here, and then the next stop would be here. And then if we get that, then we should get this lower TP. Yeah, so I'm liking it so far, unless the market's jerking around, and you know, tis is what it is. But gotta put the trades on, gotta do what the system says, gotta hold the trades, and just have no fear, man. It's like fear is an illusion. It's like losses are often wins in disguise. So as long as you're working hard and keeping gratitude and being kind, usually always works out. But yeah, just want to tap in with you guys. I'm here watching the trade. Subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. This is for educational purposes only, all that jazz. Not a signal group, not a signal chat, not selling no courses, none of that. Not saying that we never will. You know, we do have a lot of value to give out, so eventually we'll probably be selling a course, and you know, the Discord will be behind a paywall eventually, sure. Just so we can kind of separate, you know, people that are serious about this endeavor and not. But yeah, this is free YouTube, free live streaming, free, you know, come through, ask questions, you know, suggestions, join the Discord, be a part of the live stream, all that, man. It's an open community. Just want to create an open community here to teach others, especially in this time when the workforce is transitioning. So many things are transitioning on people. AI is taking an effect, pretty huge. So you're gonna need a skill, man. You're gonna need a skill. Trading is a skill. Like being a plumber and an electrician, it's a trade. It's trading, but it is a trade that you can always grow in and you know, it'll be the traders making money alongside the plumbers and the electricians when everybody's receiving universal basic income in the next couple of years. So take your skills serious, use your time wisely. Don't focus all your energy on chasing the dollar. The dollar is weak. The dollar is weak. For real. Build skills, create value, and give it back. And that's one of the reasons that we're back on the YouTube pushing, because the main thing is to give value, back. Yeah, so but yeah, this gap we're watching, this level we're watching right here is a 1 hour fair value gap. That's the key level category we're playing right now. I think it's a daily. Oh, it's an old high up here at 60. So our stop's right around that. Like I said, it's a solid probability game. If you're looking for certainty, then you know it's not much in this life. So the pursuit for certainty and comfort will usually leave you disappointed. So we do a weather forecast on these trades. Our win rate is about 57%. So we got a 7% edge on a coin flip. On top of that, I'll add on a few categories that we've learned throughout our 6 years of trading futures. Just a plethora of things going to the weather report. But today the weather is 60, which means we got a +3, which means we have a slight edge on the day. You know what I mean? So with that being said, that gives us the confidence to put the trade on, hold the trade longer, and expect it to run. So you can see the TP is kind of far away, but it's not just a moonshot kind of trade. It's based on probabilities in the forecast. When the forecast gives us a 60 print, it's usually a runner in our direction. Usually extends the run. So yeah, I'm expecting price to literally run. I mean, previous day low is quite a ways. I'm not going all the way for previous day low. If I was going for previous day low, I'd be looking at an $1,800 TP, which is nice. It's very nice, but I would be looking to get out around some of these candles. Down here. I'm gonna shut up my pops. Send me a nice little message while we're in the trade. Yeah, so the goal is to, get out at the body of candles. Whole strategy is based around the 4 hour levels and such. So once this low gets cracked, I'll be very happy, because as you can see, the next real low is like down here. You know what I mean? Once this little lousy uptrend breaks, then I think we'll be good. We do got market open here in 15 minutes. Market open's always a coin flip, so you gotta be careful. But but like I said, it's a game of probability, so I'm not gonna fear any volatility. Not gonna fear. It's not the time to fear anything. You should plow into everything you do. You should lean in 100%. Don't worry about what people think. The vision that God gave you is yours alone. Nobody has to agree with it. Nobody has to understand it. And honestly, if you're an entrepreneur, everybody's on the back burner, for real. Like, it's you and God, and if you got children, I don't have kids yet, but if I had children, it would be, they would be the main focus in this entrepreneurship. It just takes, you have to put your all into what you're doing. And it's not always gonna be pleasing to others, the situations that you are put in throughout your journey. So just leave the people pleasing and just be ready to endure. I always like this quote from David Goggins. Shut the fuck up and let me enjoy this pain. It's one of my favorite quotes, because people that love you don't like to see you in pain or struggling. The whole time is usually what it takes to get to where you want to be. This is the world, it's not a perfect place. It's not about comfort. But yeah, like I said, we probably see some volatility here at the open. You know, like I said, if it's meant for us, we'll still be in the trade. If it's, if it's not our day, it's not our day. But still feeling confident in the shorts. Like I said, we're focused on. Oh, got a little spike there. Shit's flamming around. Yeah, so we'll see. It's looking poppy, a little poppy. It's looking jumpy. But yeah, like I said, man, just commit to what you're doing. Don't let nothing stop you, bro. It's been wicked trading though. Last couple days have been wicked, so just gotta bankroll management and stay focused, man. Remember that you're the bag. Your strategy, is within. I didn't buy this strategy from anybody. I didn't learn, it came all from time in the game and picking up things along the way. Nobody created market structure. Market structure's always been around. So, it's easy to look at the market and find structure and get in a play and create a couple steps around it. You don't have to complicate it. You don't have to buy anything from anybody. You don't have to learn somebody else's strategy because you want to move fast. Just learn the markets, learn market structure, learn how an auction works, learn how to find a swing high, how to find a swing low, and it's simple. People complicate it greatly, and the whole time it's a game of probabilities, man. Make your wins huge, make your losses, make your wins huge, make your losses small. When you're right, lean in, and like I said, our edge is baked in around 57%, so expect to lose 43% of the time. Last week we had banker trades, had green week last week, 3 days of green. So if it gets wicked in the batch this week, then it's just the edge playing out. You know what I mean? So with that in mind, when a trade does go in my direction, I'm going to go for this extended TP here because, why not? Why not go for the gusto? Take little bread, the edge starts to get fucked up, everything just kind of gets a little wavy, so gotta take big bread. It's just like George Soros, just like when you're right, just be infinite. When you're wrong, it is what it is, but when you're right, conviction is a real thing. Like once price gets below 29, then my conviction goes up way higher, and I lean into the trade. You know what I mean? I'm gonna lean into this trade. I'm gonna add at least 4 more contracts, get this up to a 10 lot, and go to make 2K. Why wouldn't I? You know what I mean? If I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna take a full loss. So if I'm right, I'm gonna take what I need to take. But yeah, main thing is showing up every day and keeping it cool, man. Yeah, we getting a little volatility at the open. Not really loving it. We're just in the money a couple points. Got pretty much all the way. Let's see. Got to 33. My break even was 29, so pretty close on that. But close, no cigar. So not taking my risk off. Not doing none of that. All right, just want to tap in with you guys. Got about 7 minutes to the open. Got another signal coming at 10. Like I said, trade works nice. Trade doesn't work nice. Either way, we'll be back tomorrow. Getting to it. Just thankful to be here. Thankful to have the opportunity to trade. Wasn't always available to people like me, so definitely thankful to enjoy the markets, man. So yeah, we'll be here About to mute up, fade back for a little bit, let you guys watch the open, spin around, check some news, and see if there's anything good out there. Other than that, pretty chill Wednesday, midweek. I think earnings is kicking off and stuff like that. So we got some tech is strong today with some AI stuff or something or other. So yeah. All right, cool. Well, yeah, I'm fading out. This thing is getting poppy, so like I said, we shall see. All right, I'll be here, guys.
You're building a life, running a business, and raising a family.
1 minute to open, boys. It's fucking price action to tell you. Yeah, bro. It's like some of the worst fucking action I've ever seen. See what this shit, dude. Yeah, it is what it is. What am I supposed to do? Shit. Yeah, yeah, fuck it. Put it on, man. Shit. Treacherous. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, literally, niggas getting out with nothing. Yeah, taking whatever. Yeah, great trade. Yeah, do that shit every. That's what I do. Trade straight system. So just focus on system. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. I mean, sit back. Let me enjoy this pain, bitch. Straight up, bro. Yeah, yeah. It's supposed to hurt. Just like we were saying with the parable about Jesus and stuff. It's like Christians think this shit ain't supposed to hurt. Look at Jesus. We think you're better than Jesus. Hey, nah, nigga, he died for your sins. He ain't died so you ain't have to go through pain. Two different things, that Cody. Two different things. That's the experience. Better believe it. That is the life experience. Mm-hmm. Gotta be looking for it. Yeah. For next year, for real. Yeah, at the same time. Can't just like ET said, I tried to do both. You can't. Yeah. Yeah. He started talking to himself. It's like, I'm gonna get 100 million. These niggas wanted more than me. I'd be scrolling. I just, you know what I'm saying? Be in a comfortable spot sometimes, you know? Yeah, exactly, bro. Anything. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing. Like, you got to be able to make 2K in one play for noon. Yeah, anything else, you ain't painful. Bullshit price action, been experiencing bullshit price action. Like, damn, bro. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, man. Fuck that. Ain't no way around that shit. No way around it, man. Live there, you ain't got to keep going back and forth, man. Yeah, it's accept- mm. Yeah, this shit ain't doing that, bro. I don't, ain't doing shit, bro. Ain't doing shit, gang. Good trade, boys. Good process. We did our job. Market gonna do what it's gonna do. It's a fact. Yeah. What's up? Okay. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Shit. What you gonna do, man? Am I give me on them 18 at bro? That's all I'm here to do, bro. 380 risk for 2,000 at the lows. Break even and literally like for real at 29. Like if you're gonna keep me two turn around, like nigga, I'm gonna be exposed every time. Off a clean signal, like man, y'all boy, man. You know, it ain't going. It's what it is, Crody. Bro, we was just right here. One candle wicked up, thought that bitch stopped. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Like, bro. Yeah, nigga, with a fucking toothpick. And that don't even mean nothing, bro. Like, what does that even mean? Bro, the way they talking, bro, they saying this, they gonna treat that nigga like they was the Nazi regime when he done with this shit. He's like, he might be dead and see now, but nigga, they coming for his kids and everything. It'd be like what they did to the Nazis. They on Nazi shit. Yeah. I mean, and that shit was ass too. Yeah. This is bad. Niggas was selling all type of fucking debauchery with that shit. Yeah. Yeah, nigga Biden literally, oh my god. He he did the same thing that they saying Trump gonna do. Act like you see now when he out of there and fucking that's it. That's it. That's gonna be the story. End this shit. Yeah, but it was just Biden. Yeah, that ain't smoking crack. Literally, bro. It's just like April was sheesh. Some of the cheese is price action. I mean, it's good. We made a little couple dollars off options, but as far as the future shit, man, price action fucking terrible, bro. Everybody's talking about how bad it is, but even like I said before, it's like the amount of reversals they able to pull intraday is killing niggas. It's at a record high. So should do what it just did. TP1 as soon as you add in, boom, smack you in the face. Like, like yeah, they literally like they got that shit. Geriatric, like bro. Once they get a certain amount, pop that bitch back. You can guarantee, you can bet how many stops this guy hit. You can bet on it. You can fucking bet on it, bro. Like I said, I just have to do my job, get my ass on up out of here, man. Yep, that's what it is. Gotta be a dog. The dog fight, but nothing and nobody's gonna save you but Jesus. Nothing and nobody, bro. Yeah, SEC and BBC and everybody fucking talking about the obvious insider trading. It's like, man, y'all niggas acting like it's breaking fucking news. Man, y'all niggas. When it all come down, cause boy, that nigga's gonna be telling you, Brody. Niggas going to jail, gosh. That's what they say. They like, nigga, the Dems get in, we all going to jail. Hmm. Yeah. Even like the boy said about the SEC talking about him inside of trading shit. Too much money being made. Like they might alter some shit, but they ain't gonna do nothing to affect the money they making. I know it's a nigga getting paid off these wick out institutions. Yeah. Mm-hmm. On your house. Or the nigga that's selling commissions. That's the only guaranteed T-shirt in this shit. Mhm. Yeah. Yep. It's every yeah. You got to charge your way through. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. It's like nigga. I'm not finna. I can't do nothing else. Can't do. I gotta literally trade my way. Like this is my bread and butter. And if I really think it's gonna be what I visualize it to be, then it's gonna have to be that, bro. It's gonna have to be putting that shit on. I don't feel like it. Or I don't like the price action. I got the signal. I got to put it on, or I got to risk the account when it's time to fucking trade if I got to, because that's the only way I'm getting fucking paid, dog. Like, fuck, other than that, yeah, yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. Hold the fucking line. It's like we would only be doing that to hold this, literally. Feel me? So I think it's the main thing. Yeah, for real. Enjoy, enjoy the fight, nigga. Yeah, so, it is what it is. Don't mix these things. Cause either way, it's a battle. You feel me? Either way, you fighting, bro. Feel me? So just pick your battle. Yep. Yeah. Ain't no free lunch nowhere. Gosh, you gonna be fighting. Stick to it. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. It's not real. It's your mind looking for shit that's not here to comfort you. It's like whatever it could be. If you ain't got it, your brain's gonna think, oh yeah, that's what you need to get comfortable. Yeah. Can't fall to that shit. Yeah. Yeah, because that's the main fight. Just staying in. You know what I'm saying? The world gonna whoop you, but the main entrepreneur fight, literally, like stay in the game. Gone. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Don't got many choices. Yeah. It is gonna be a long line there, gosh. Mhm. Comatose getting rocked. Hogging another nigga will. How's the 10 o'clock candle looking? Yeah. Yeah, now 45. Gonna be a CLM upside. All right, man. I'm about to just close this out. This shit gonna be a bit long. 45 possible seal limitation on supply. Yeah, this reset. All right, yeah. I say we reset.
Order
Man. We
filled.
gotta reset. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, nigga, I don't even give a fuck, bro. Ass. Crazy. Ever, bro. Like ever. Like yeah, man. Fuck that, bro. Fuck it, whatever. Kiss my ass. Those fucking yeah, okay, bro. Because it's not good. I mean, we over SL4 going into 10, looking at a COM. Good thing you called that shit, bro. Good thing you called that. We really over SL4 on both products. Like, yeah, it's straight. Yeah, I don't. I could just go on and on about that. Even like Ian said, it's like, yeah, you think it's manipulation, but they're just wired to go up, bro. Nothing like you popped out a trade to the upside, bro, and you didn't fucking put on your hard nose to fucking try to short it. It's like, yeah, you're about to get fucking ripped, bro. Because it's the easiest thing to do. Yeah, because if it's going down, then it's just doing regular business, bro. I mean, if it's going down, something catastrophic happens. Going up, then it's just regular business. You know? Mm. Yeah. Because the main thing with us though, even like how the system just protected us now. The system's just gonna protect us. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do it. We gotta do it to the T. But literally, it's gonna protect us. It's gonna give us a short signal. You're gonna see a COM right after it opens. Like, yeah, get out and then catch the. You gotta just do every single thing. You know what I'm saying? And that's the cog where niggas get messed up too. Like you have a system and you be feeling a certain thing, and it's like you got a whole system. Like even being in the trade, it's like yeah, I would love to stay in there. I love to not even took that trade, but the system's telling me what to do, and I've been getting my ass whooped all week. So what do I know? I'm like a baby right now, getting spanked. You know what I'm saying? So it's just good the system relies on it, and that's something we just. I mean, bullish trades got higher problems. So that's just. That's the only thing that we can, you know. Yeah, if it's a red, you might just need to take 5 off that motherfucker. It's against the overall trend. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's not no rocket. That's not rocket science. Like, yeah, it's just against the overall trend, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just was. It just was. Right now, it's not. Yeah, yeah, it's in the middle of this bullshit range. But I mean, shit, this range is ass. I mean, it's not like yeah, it's literally been trading. It had made one good move this week with the Crody's ate the gap down, and then it's just been eating shit in between while niggas trying to trade it. You know what I'm saying? Crody's been done since fucking Sunday night. Everything else is niggas trying to grab straws at value. It's like, yeah, bro. Like, you got to trade this shit with a fucking fine tooth comb. For real. And even if it flushes out and be a continuation red, that'll be a better to take a second attempt on the shorts when it's showing that it's continued to be bearish. It's like if this shit doing this, like fuck am I supposed to think, bro? They can kick rocks. Nigga, seal him at 9:45 on a short. I'm out of there. Suck a dick. Yeah. Yeah, I have a system that's telling me what to do. Yeah, bullshit. Yeah, I don't give a fuck what it does. Actually. Yeah, yeah, it's just what it is. 'Cause it's cool to be up 60, 70, $80 or even the 100, 180 that it printed, but like nigga, TP1 turnarounds, like bro, that shit is literally like nothing. It's nothing. Mhm. Yeah, I've been in this trade while it's been doing this. But I could have took 200 3 times. I need this shit to go, nigga. Mhm. Yeah, bro. Mhm. You can, but it's short lived. It's gonna be like, yeah, you're gonna have to get out. Yeah, that's it. Hmm. Waiting to see what the market is doing and going with that wave all the time. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Nah, but it's that retail trader fucking shit that's feeding you. Buy the lows, sell the highs, and the whole time you're going against the fucking trend. It's like, what are we doing? The counter trend trade. Yeah, they can fuck off.
Fuck all the way off. You truthfully can. All right, 7 minutes. Need a signal, bro. I don't got no levels here. Nothing here. No
Yes,
levels
nothing
up
there,
here,
bro.
and it's probably just hanging in this gap too, which is ass.
Yeah, that gap is terrible.
Yeah.
That's why they able to sweep people because the imprint was made, the money was made. Now they can make money off niggas trying to put it around this shit, and it ain't doing nothing but going sideways.
Mm-hmm.
Sideways trading is like, bro, options getting cooked,
I'm just
we
gonna
getting
take
cooked.
I'm just gonna take 71.35, the point five of the fib as the key level on this. Got nothing else up here. Nothing.
That's, I mean, shit. That's what everybody else is fucking.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I didn't. That's why I
And
didn't short.
before I would tell you too, it's like that's a higher time frame candle. Showed you buyers right there at that low,
Yeah,
right
but
there where our
that's why I
T1
didn't.
is buyers.
That's why price keep closing over this 50% line of this Fibonacci from this high low. For real,
Yeah, that's all
price
niggas got up there.
once it broke over it, like green, it sold through it with this one hell candle on the floor. Once it got back over it and started taking over the point five, like this candle closed the what the 18 1800 hour candle. It closed over it, and price hasn't went back under that 50% line yet, and it's about to close over the 0.618.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so
That's
it's
what niggas
gone.
playing.
It's gone. It's gone.
Oh,
It's
bro.
going. It's about to go back. It's about to go back to the one, which is 71.86, and that's the trade I'm looking for. That 40-point banger. That's the one I'm looking for.
That's the one.
Yeah. So we're gonna treat that.
That's the
We have
one I
nothing
knew.
else up here. We're finna be fit, boy. 71.35 is the key level. Give me a heat zone off of that, and get ready to set some alerts. Got 5 minutes. Everybody get prepared.
I'm getting prepared here. And God, though, God got it. Good trade.
Yeah,
Good
great
exit.
trade, man. Great exit. For real. George Soros. Get me the fuck out of there. For real.
Get the fuck out of here, man. What the fuck is this
What is
bullshit
this
doing? Get me
bullshit?
out of
Fuck
here.
this. Get me out of here. Fuck this.
Nah, you just can't love them, bro. It's like, yeah, we got, and all everything in our system is shit that we, you know what I'm saying? Shit that we brought to
No.
the table.
Yeah,
We got to
exactly.
overly trust it. You feel me? Like, you keep, your voice is literally the voice that's reminding me of that. Like, you the one that said CON 945, you need to get the fuck on.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, what we doing? Now you don't believe what the fuck you said.
Yeah, you know? It's like, yeah, now that's when you're like hoping, you know what I mean? So yeah,
Yeah, that's when
this
you're
shit ain't
hoping.
gave you a reason to hold the trade since, you know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean? Like, fuck that, bro. Supposed to just hold and hope. Like, nah, build character, and then character gives you hope, not fucking bullshit
Mm-hmm.
trades.
Mm-hmm.
For real, simple as that.
And we're like,
Yeah, perfect, nigga. Minus fifty
I had to
dollars.
eat
Minus $50 on that garbage bullshit.
that garbage ass shit.
Yeah, Bears trades are about to get hit a little different on the weather report. That's the most I can do.
Yeah, you just need
I
to
can't take them
knock
off
five
all.
off of
I
them.
can't take them off all the way, but
Because it's not necessarily bearish trades, it's counter trend trades. You feel me?
yeah,
Counter the
counter
macro.
trend, counter the macro.
Yeah, ain't even like fuck bearish, I don't like shorts. It's like
It's
literally fuck
counter,
anything
fuck the
that's against
counter
the
trend.
micro trend.
Yeah,
This shit go short, then I'm short. But if the macro trend is up, only buys get that extra percentage. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Man,
Simple.
this nigga Boo Johnson, the fucking skateboarder. This nigga's so dowd right now. It's crazy.
He down?
Nah, he's dowd. He's just dowd. He just ran
Oh, so
He
down.
just ran from LA to Vegas 100 miles. He just
Wow.
dowd in right now, bro. He's got his kid and his girl and shit. He's like really killing it, bro. Killing it. Went bald, fucking tattooed his head. Just living the dream.
Wow.
Living
I'm
the
like, wow.
freaking dream. He's dowd, bro. I love watching this nigga. Yeah, that nigga drive a Toyota Tundra.
That's a fire truck, though.
Nah, that's a fire ass truck.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, when I was riding back in town yesterday, I'm like, man, I'm gonna get me a truck. Fuck that.
Might as well. A little Ford truck, little.
Damn, they got a D.
Little Tundra.
He just did a Raw Papers like DGK collab skateboard, and it's like a raw paper pack. Instead of saying raw, it say boo on it. That shit looks so clean.
But
Oh, it looks clean as fuck. He could be killing it. He been killing it for a long time, man. It's fucking dowd.
yeah.
This nigga shredded. Crazy. Gotta get right.
They died. Everything possible.
Mm-hmm. So happy got out of that bullshit.
I've been pissed off.
Nah, I was saying.
I already knew I wanted to close it when I was at the fucking car wash. I was up 200. Came back to the phone, seen that bitch almost stopped out my practice trade. I'm like, bro, what the fuck,
Bro. I'm like, man. Yeah, I'm like, I was wanting to close it too. And I'm like, shit, where the fuck is bro? I looked at the map. You were in traffic. I'm like, man, what the fuck is this nigga doing?
For real, bro.
Close this damn trade. Like, yeah, he's
oh, this shit right now.
He walked away because he's done with this shit. It's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, nigga, I'm fucking. I'm like the car wash wiping down the wheels. Nigga, I can't get soaked into this shit. I'll put the trade on. Just fucking get the fuck on.
Yeah.
I can't be like, the system's too good.
It's too good. Yeah, it's too good. All things considered, everything works. If you just focus on doing the process like that, what we just did at 9:45, that's our last call for to keep a loss small. You know what I mean? And you see what it's doing right now. It's like, bro, I would have been.
See what it's doing? It's fucking it, bro. I'd be so fucking mad right now, bro.
Pissed, bro. I was fucking pissed. Like, I'm talking about livid.
I'm talking about livid,
Like,
nigga.
bro, it's
Fuck.
just been a crazy week. You feel me? It's like, yeah, at this point, I'm damn near.
I'm damn near calling it. I'm
Yeah, I'm
damn near
calling
done.
it. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done because what the fuck is gonna happen up here, bro? It's not even gonna pull back. It's not gonna fucking
Yeah.
pull back, bro.
Like, don't even get your hopes up. Like, this shit is done, nigga. Look what it just closed as. And that's
Yeah.
the highest volume in the last 12 hours. This shit
Yeah.
is gone.
Nah, we
nigga.
good. We good. I mean, it's not gonna go back under the .618 on the fib. The fib boys is running shit right now.
Yeah, because we're in the sky. Of course they are.
71.47. It's probably not
Key
gonna go
zone is
below that.
42 off the SL4, which is right in your fair value gap. I'll buy 42s, and that's it.
Is that my gap? Dang, that
Your
is
gap
my
should be
gap.
between 41 and 47.
Yeah, that is my gap. All right, cool.
All right.
Great.
We're buying
great.
43. Set an alert there for me.
Great, great.
And that's
great.
it, man. Fuck off, man. You just suck a freaking fart, bud.
Great,
I
great,
forgot
great.
we on YouTube. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Three to one from 32 back to previous day high. That's all we got. We're done.
Yeah.
We just got the fucking stop out of this world.
Yeah, we did.
That's straight up for you guys.
That's fucking trading. Keep your losses small and your wins big. You see Max.
Mm-hmm. If it ain't gonna do it, it ain't gonna do it, nigga.
You see Max Woods not talking much. He didn't take that lousy short.
Nigga, Max Woods is done talking to this market.
Nah, I just got in it. I had a signal, but that shit got stopped out.
Oh, for real?
God,
Wow.
fuck, dude.
Wow.
I had to get out of the Discord because my shit was freezing up. It was like lagging on me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
that shit gave us
ran
a
that.
bogus signal.
Yeah,
We ran out of that
yeah,
shit, bro.
ran.
It would literally be a full stop out right now.
Yeah.
Fucking $400 right now, bro. If we didn't get out of there.
Yeah, we ran.
Yeah, I ran like a bitch out of that motherfucker. And I got my practice trade still on,
I mean,
boss.
it's still bullish, but this motherfucker, like, gosh damn, bro. Like, why they giving us bearish signals, like, motherfucker?
Yeah, they flipping.
It's bullish in a terrible area.
Bullish. That's like, damn.
Yeah, it's just bullish in a terrible area, bro.
33. Damn, 46 is a little ways away from the low, though. Low this candle is
only got 33, 10 points off of that, 42, 43.
43.
You in between your zone.
43. All right,
43,
cool.
yeah.
50% line. All right, cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
All right, let
don't
me
do that.
set the alert at 71.43.
That's it. You're looking for signal.
Yeah, that's it, bro.
The 3 to 1 back to last week. I previous day high. I'll take that.
Yeah, because if it's gonna do more than that. If it's gonna actually do that shit.
If it break that, yeah. It's good though. Good day's work. Literally watching this trade when it get stopped out, bro. I'd have been so fucking mad.
Yeah, I'm just happy.
I would have been fucking cheated, bro.
Just notate that 9:45 thing. You almost missed that.
We almost fucked up. Notate that for real. Even on my trade even and put Y because we got the fuck out at 9:45.
Yeah, 9:45. If this trade is looking bad, keep the losses small. It's the rule. Yeah, I want that 43 to 83. If it gives that, I want that. If it's gonna give that,
If it gives that, I need that.
Yeah,
if it gives that, I need that. Get fuck off.
Yeah.
That's a way better trade. I'll lose on that, and it'll be my second shot of the day.
Yeah.
Like
I'll get the weather, and then let's decide on risk here.
All right, cool. Let's get the weather for me. Got a COM to the COM upside, yes. And Q probably the same.
I think I might have gave the last one too much. Yeah, because it wasn't bullish.
It was up 3, boss. It was up 3. It was still 57. It's fine. I think you gave it a bullish catalyst.
I gave it that bullish, yeah. Because it was bullish.
Yes, it was.
Technically, it was bullish.
It was fucking. That guy was like, this is bullish.
Alright, that's +3 for COM. -4 for headline risk. -1 for Donnie T.
You got correlation as
+2
well.
on the correlation. +3 on the bullish sentiment. At 60 degrees. All right, 60. All right, so we got to fucking trade again. A true 60 without a fucking sell signal. Because that sell signal 60 is not a true 60, bro. For real.
Nah, that should have been 57 with 5 off. Would have been a 52. We shouldn't even take that shit.
Yeah,
especially today where we're not 57 above only.
Yeah, we only 57 and above. That was my fault. That was my fault. Yeah.
Now you said bullish though, and it was on 60, so I took 3 off, and that was 57 still. So
All right,
it
cool.
was fine. But now we'll be taking another 5 off for against macro trend. So that trade was against macro trend. So
Yeah, yeah. Let me get that.
that would have been like a fucking 52 or something.
Yeah.
It wouldn't even have
Where should
touched
I
it.
put that? Macro.
Yeah, it ain't even about. It's not even about if it's
Bullish or
short or not.
bearish? Yeah.
It's literally about if the market is up on the 4 hour on the daily, then five is the only thing that's getting probability added to it.
Yeah.
You
All
looking
right.
like a greedy short up here.
So in the trend section, which is like I usually have bullish plus 3%, bearish minus 1%. Against macro trend, I'm gonna match it with the headline risk because it's dangerous. I might do minus 4% on that.
Wall Street shit just made a 58.25 high.
And she's a
Nigga,
eater. She's a eater.
I don't understand how pissed I'd have been.
Nah, yeah, that shit.
Like I'm good now because like I get my full temp on like a real 60. But like if that shit, my goodness, boy.
Nah, but the body be
TP1 turn
knowing
around
too.
on the short.
It's sentiment, bro. You know what I mean? So at the same time, it's like I'm just happy we got out clean. Nigga should have got out.
Yeah, because it was a good trade.
It was a good trade. It
which
gave
allowed
us,
us to get out, which allowed us to get out clean. You know?
Exactly. You know what I mean? So hey, it is what it is. Good trade.
It's what it is.
Good
trade.
signal.
On to the next.
Fuck it. On to the next.
48 upside. SL 4 hour.
It just touched the top of the 1 hour fair value gap.
Yeah, I see it. 32. So 4 hour 32, 75. Heat zone 71. 42, 75. No key areas here because price is fucked. And
price is in the sky. It's fucked.
Like it's literally like a fucking the gap up it did on the ES. It's like it's nothing in between the space, bro. And they're literally drenching niggas in it. Like it's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, this is doing a perfect uptrend. Like today, like
the uptrend is for sure in.
Today it should pop that top. Bro.
It should.
Right. Oh, this shit got 46.25. Yeah, almost did tip right into that FPJ.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be it because the fib level is right there at 47 too, so that's probably gonna be it.
Yeah, damn. Yeah. It's mine. Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it. It's cool. It's cool, my brother. It's cool.
Need it clean.
Yeah, bro. Niggas down.
That is
fucking, oh my gosh. 860 this week.
Yeah, bro. Getting fucking hammered.
Wrecked. It's been a shit April, dude. 1 week.
Yeah, April's just fucking ass, bro.
Like, down.
1 week of smooth action. And then other than that, break even and downside.
Yeah.
Treacherous out here.
Gotta keep fucking pushing, boys.
Man, got no choice, my job.
That's
no choice.
I did that right at the time. I knew it was gonna fucking do that shit, bro. Right at that fib level. Fib boys is out right now, boy.
Yeah, bro. It's in the sky, bro.
Right at 47, bro. That shit bounced.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
that's fine,
if you
bro.
Look at it, if you look at it on my charts, bro, you'll be sick.
Yeah, I squared out the gap, and the gap's literally right over our entry. And they could dab just toe in it and fucking ran out of there.
Like, look at this. The fib is just doing it right now, man.
No, it has to. It's nothing up here, bro. Like, especially on ES. Like, NASDAQ got some levels in between up there, but ES, bro, when I say it's nothing in between these fucking levels, bro. Nothing.
Yeah, NASDAQ is in the category with the Dow Jones to me. I'm not gonna lie. I used to say NASDAQ couldn't lie, but under this regime, NASDAQ is a lying bitch.
Yeah, well, NASDAQ, the first one fucking believe in the lie. Shit.
Yeah, literally.
That shit fucking pricing in the lie.
Pricing in the damn lie.
Like, man, come on, man. Come on, Muddy. But yeah, that's a good trade. I'll just not take nothing else, man.
Yeah, that's a good trading day. I mean, as long as you keep the losses small, it's good, man. It's good. For real, I'm not finna wrestle with the fib boys up here. They can have it.
Fuck nah, man. Yeah, that's not even my trade. You let them boys have that shit.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So I let him have it. I can take
Days
them.
where your strategy is not in play. It's like, yeah,
Yeah.
this is what it is. My key level, only key level up here is fucking 7160, and this shit's rejecting the fuck out of
Yeah,
it.
it's rejecting. It can't push. It's the Fed
It's just
boys are
like,
buying it at the 50% at the point 0.5 and the 0.68 and getting out of it at Monday high. Like
yeah,
it's crazy. That's a diabolical little setup though. Take the fib into like a liquidity pool and then just get
yeah,
out, get in and
daily
out, get
zone,
in and
yeah.
out. Yeah, it's just like
Big
fuck it.
force and just boom, boom, boom.
Yeah,
That's what they're doing.
that's
I
what
mean,
they
you can look
doing.
at the 4 hour and see what this shit. It's the sideways trading. So niggas bringing out sideways trading and damn near price discovery. So niggas got the fib and niggas just playing the range. For real, you
Yeah.
can expect it if it's gonna go up, sweep this high, and 9 times out of 10, based off what it's been doing, it's gonna come back in the range. Because the price can trade up here at these all time highs, and it's not. It don't mean nothing.
Mm-hmm.
All the stocks are green. AMD at 288, and the market's not doing shit. It's up 0.7%, and it ain't did nothing. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? It literally hasn't did anything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's the summer trading. That's like, yeah. That's why you don't pray for summer. This is like summer trading.
Yeah, just like summer trading. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't pray for
You
summer.
don't pray for summer. Look at the
With
lives.
sideways bullshit like this.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just bullish bullshit.
Yeah, I'm just teed though. It's been a banger for me. Banger week for me, boys.
Yeah, it's been a fucking week, bro. That's for sure.
Yeah, for sure, ski. Banger week, and it's just fucking Wednesday.
Yeah.
Just fucking Wednesday, though. Dude, I love the job. I love God. We're here, boys. Some hitters. Nice break even trade to start the day.
Yeah.
It's good work. Good systematic work, guys. Nice
Yeah.
trade.
Yeah, don't think too much about it, man. That was good trading. Got out of a bad
All right, that was
situation,
good. Good
clean. That's what
systematic
matters.
trades. 10, 11. We got 2 hours.
Yeah.
See what happens. See what happens, bro.
Mm-mm. All right, cool. I'll be here taking a break.
Yeah, take a break, man. About to finish the full few I got. So,
Cool.
we can chill.
You went and got some herb.
Yeah, when I try to fire.
Alright, cool. Alright, go out. It's relaxing a little bit.
All right, cool. Sounds good. Just let me know.
Got some bread.
I'll let real quick. You do.
Yeah.
All right, bet. I'll let real quick.
Very interesting.
What the fuck is Bitcoin Depot? Oh, crypto ATM. You boy slick. Slick booger.
Slick booger.
Get a little bit closer than I want to.
Back. But yeah, man, that was great training. Great training.
Yeah, that was good trading.
Great training from all of us, man. Follow
Hey,
that
are you
signal.
guys taking?
Good.
Hold on. You guys take trades, right? When you frame your trade up, like say you frame your trade on a 4 hour,
Mm.
and are you only waiting for that zone, or say something on the 1 hour happens? Would you switch look and look at the 1 hour?
Yeah, yeah. So now we starting to
Yeah.
implement Like even today we was playing that 1 hour fair value gap. Even right now, that's what we playing too. So if something changes on the one, then yeah, we definitely are taking interest in it, and we're just starting with those gaps, and yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, because I'm kind of using it to correlate. It's like I'm looking at the 4, and then I'll break down to the hour to kind of correlate some structure. So yeah, I'm trying to use not necessarily use both, but letting the hour kind of stack in my favor when I'm seeing on the
Yeah,
4,
yeah,
or take away favor from what I'm seeing on the 4.
yeah,
You
exactly.
know?
See, because I did that same thing, like what you just said. Like if something changes on the another higher time frame,
Hmm.
but I think that's
I think it's
messing with the
fundamental.
analysis, bro.
Really?
Mm.
Because why did we go short if on the hourly and 4 hours clearly highlight? I guess we were supposed to be being patient from waiting for our trade.
Yeah, so we got the thing that led me short. For we got bullish contest, of course, overall on the 4 hour. We did get the red candle at the 2 to 6 candle, so that's obvious sign that sellers did show up around Monday high zone.
Yeah.
So based off of that, and the key level being right above it, that we took the short. But overall context, macro trend is bullish. So that's what we were saying. We got into the short, how we use our forecast to see if shit's in our favor. We were supposed to take some more points off of it because the macro trend right now is long.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So overall, it's long, but we catching our day trade, so it might be long with a daytime with an intraday short, and that's kind of like the trade we took. But if it's still showing it's continuing, then we'll get popped out, or we'll be able to exit with a 10 o'clock candle coming in showing that it's bullish.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because the candles are communicating to us. So the only thing that gave me a signal to short up here was that 4 hour 10 o'clock candle showing that sellers were in place,
Yeah.
and then I got a key level correlated right above it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a short that move. But then by
Nice.
now 45, if it's looking like that 4 hour candle was bullish, that means buyers showed up at my exit. Then I'm finna get out.
Yeah. Then I'm
You know what
getting
I'm
out.
saying?
Yeah.
So it's all kind of,
Yeah.
you know, it
It's
all
an
plays the hand.
evolving thing. Yeah. Like.
Exactly. Because even what we were learning with the hour, for hours following the daily, like you told me, like the daily cycle, the 4 hours, the weekly cycle. So I'm gonna start with the highest time frame, get most of my specs, everything from the 4 hour. But then I'm going down to that hour after that to kind of get
Yeah.
some deeper content, see if I
Like
can stack some things in my face.
even the trade that just played out, as soon as that candle closed, it went right to the top of that 1 hour fair value gap, and it already then went fucking 146 to 60 right now. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? So like,
and that was the only signal at that time. If I was looking at, well, that the bottom of that 4 hour was right under it, but I got no key levels above that zone, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I got to go with the hour saying on that structure. Like, all
I
right,
know
cool, got an hour.
I should have bought that 1 hour gap because that's obvious for niggas, and it correlated with the Fibonacci too.
Yeah, yeah. I mean that was our plan. It was 46. We were literally looking to buy 43. It just
Yeah.
didn't get what we expected. You know what I'm
Not
saying?
yet,
Should it be like
anyways.
that?
Yeah.
Not yet, right? Yeah, for real. And that's the thing too. It's like stick to your guns. Like it's only 10-18. It's like most likely if it's not just gonna blast off, it's gonna come back and retest the zone.
Yeah, get deeper in there.
Yeah.
We should still get this long. So much
Yeah, we
time
still
left in the
should get
day, unless you're just gonna
how much
float.
time left in the day? That's why you gotta stay refreshed. I mean it's a good we got a good short signal and then we that's the thing with this. Like if you got a system, it's like I was telling bro, the system will always protect us. For real. We're gonna be feeling whether gonna be feeling good or bad, you know what I'm saying, based on your personal life or what the market's doing, but if your system's saying if you got a signal, I'd rather you take it and take the loss than be, you know what I'm saying, second guessing that signal. You know what I'm saying? Just how we operate. So it's a little dance of both. It's like, but if the system told me to short, then I'm gonna go ahead and short it. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Because the same system that told me to short told me to get out by 9:45 to be able to
exactly.
catch this long. You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying? Precious system. You ain't really,
yeah.
you know what I'm
Just
saying?
don't get too lost in
We gonna
anything else, for real.
and anything else because that's why you got a system so you can operate it whether you feeling good, bad, indifferent. Fuck the market. I love the market. I've been getting stopped out. I've been not. It's like yeah, if the system says short this shit, then I'm finna put it on, bro. All I got is my system.
Hmm. I'm mad I didn't take that one out for value gap. That was pretty simple.
Yeah. If you call 43 and price prints 46, that ain't your flat. But I feel what you're saying.
Nah, yeah, you're right. I know what you mean. Yeah, but still, the top of the gap should next time I'll notate.
Next time you'll put it up
Yeah,
there.
because you
But you
see.
said it though. You said 46 was a bit high off the 32.
Yeah. I mean, it just put. We still could have got our stop under it. You know what I mean? It just would have been.
Yeah, it just would have
right
been one of
under it.
those right under
Right
instances,
at
which
it. You
sometimes
know.
it's gonna be like. And we know from our history, those trades aren't really the best.
Not great. Yeah, it's not great. Not great trades.
Today's just gonna be a flat, no trade day. Praise God.
Yeah. Cause I'm not gonna be wrestling with this shit all day. For real, so
Just that do it shit.
Yeah.
Just that do it shit. It's like they waiting for the nigga to lie again, bro. It's like, man, I can't
Yeah, large
like,
market.
can't wait till earnings come out or something, bro. It's just nothing else out. But what he's putting out is nothing else out. You know what I'm saying? When the earnings come out, then we can see some backbones. He got the data fucked up, got the news fucked up. Like, bro.
For real, and you know it's crazy, boss. That they doing under people's nose. They got the data, the CPI data, and all that shit cooked, and they're betting on it on Kalashi.
Dirty motherfuckers, bro.
They're literally
like bro,
betting on there, and they're matching the reports directly to the fucking bets on Kalashi, bro. Like it's literally diabolical.
What they gonna do with this market after this shit?
Oh man, they gonna close the door on a lot of that. They gonna somebody.
But
gonna do something.
guess who's gonna get affected?
Yeah, I know.
Retail, nigga.
Retail, yeah.
Them niggas ain't finna retail, nigga. They gonna shut down, like, for real. Before they stop them niggas getting that money, they gonna shut down this small shit. That's why you gotta fucking be live.
They not even. That's not their plan. The same thing with the day trading rule that just went away. It's like, bro, they want that liquidity. They're just gonna make the barrier entry for so low so they can just keep fucking just getting that liquidity, bro. And then the more
you're right. They'll never
they
stop that. It's like the 1920s.
Yeah, they'll never stop it. It's like now normal people are participating. It's the same thing. Why the short suck? Because the novice that they got in the room, the one that you know,
Trump's buy the dip course.
Yeah, not even that. Trump's a trading president, and Trump's my man. I'm talking about them people. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
It's like, bro, they don't know how to sell. They don't know. They just come in and buy the shit. You know what I mean? Whatever he says, just buy it. It's like, that's what I'm saying. That's the kind of people that's, you know what I'm saying, bro? It's like, dog. It's just, it's like, dog.
You be seeing them where you at the first day.
Yeah, bro. It's like they don't care. They not thinking, oh, he said this. Well, goddamn. You know what I mean? And they just buying that shit, bro. For real. That's why it's a buyer's market, because 90% of the people that's participating, it's fucking dull, bro. Like, I can't even.
Bro, the other half, if they trade in equities, they know it's just gonna keep going up.
Yeah, and then the other half is over analytical. You get what I mean? Like, it's just fucking crazy, bro. It's fucking. You know what I'm saying? It's piss wasser.
Fake news. It's piss wasser. Oh, it's fucking fake news. Fake bad news. Yeah, praise God, I didn't take no loss today. Lord knows I didn't need it.
Yeah, I don't give a damn about losses.
Yeah, AMD's at 93, bro. That bitch took the fuck off, dog.
Yeah, of course it did. After we ate. Didn't you get something small on it or no? You weren't able to get it?
Yeah, I got small. It's gonna print over 307. I got it.
Oh yeah. Alright, it's gonna do that. Fucking Crody's is
it's gonna do it.
And they back in the AI and the chip shit, so
yeah, and he almost got popped out on some fucking AI news.
Yeah, because I mean AI is a thing, bro. I'm about
to it's just a thing changing.
I'm about to spend the day to day making a AI executive assistant with Claude.
Yeah, I need it.
And it's just gonna do task rabbit shit, scheduling, all type of shit.
Yeah, I need it.
Yeah, just gotta have it, because that's what, you know, niggas gonna be using to scale.
Yeah.
It's like that makes the lamest person smart when they have a fucking AI agent that's telling them what to do. You get what I mean?
Exactly.
Gotta have it. All three of us gotta take the time to make an AI executive assistant with Claude. If you don't know how, that's the answer. That's why you need to do it. You know what I mean? If you don't know how, then you have to figure it out. Because if not, it's what the motherfuckers studying, bro. For real, studying how to get the answers and it's gonna create a gap in execution if you don't have it.
Yeah, if you don't have it, because they're literally, bro, they literally putting this shit in this motherfucker and caused by Anthropic. That's nice. Damn. Yeah, that's exactly why I need to be in this motherfucker, because I did not know.
Yeah, niggas gotta be overly learning that AI. And same thing,
Implement it.
same thing. 19 Keys was saying. That's all he was saying. Just make an AI executive assistant. How he catered it directly to himself, and they tell him to do shit, and with a certain type of tone and mindset.
Yeah.
That's the same thing, for real. And it's like I hate that he fucking how he presented it, how they're presenting it to our people, and you gotta come through me and get the fucking get my like just teach niggas how to fucking do it for the love of God. Just teach niggas how to
Yeah,
do
but
it before you.
a lot of people want to get shown how to do it and not taught how to do it.
But
Take
it's
longer.
like
You got to
before
put
you,
10,000 hours.
yeah, but before you sell me something, at least
Yeah, I
tell
mean,
me
is it
how to
his fault or the
fucking do
niggas
it.
that's buying it? He telling you the benefits of it when you can really go for free and build a cloud agent your fucking self.
Yeah,
You feel me? So it's like you're either a sheep or a shepherd.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? It's like he's literally about to charge you an arm and a leg, some money that you ain't even got when you could literally just do some free research.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look at this moving and shit. Moving and shit ain't doing fucking
Yeah, it
nothing.
ain't nothing. It ain't doing nothing. It ain't doing nothing. It's playing with niggas with this gap.
Yeah, it's trading in this capsule, man.
Yeah, it's just playing with niggas with this shit. It's finally
It's
over.
breaking out to the upside of
Yeah,
it now, so
yeah, it's finna
hopefully
go.
it gets out
Hopefully,
of here.
hopefully it
I
just.
think Tesla's earnings is tonight, so send them. The news is about to change. It's gonna be some different news.
Yeah,
That's
it's
what
gonna be
really
a
niggas
separate.
waiting on. It's like, yeah, ain't really the straight Trump lines. Like, ain't shit you can do about that. We about to get some solid numbers. About to get some solid numbers. So. Yeah, good thing you added the fair value cap, because in all reality, we got no reason to take this trade. No kilo.
Yeah. No reason. No key level when they give us nothing but the fair value gaps. Like I said, I want to start treating them like key levels, and you see what it did. Shit just printed 20
Yeah,
points.
exactly.
Yeah, so.
That's even what's reinforcing the trading.
Yeah. That's why it ain't. It's just simple, bro. It's either that or the fib. The fib and the top of the 1 hour fair value gap is the same damn price, 46 and 47. So.
It's either in your zone or it's getting stopped at every day somewhere.
Yeah, So. Very good. Good work.
Thank God, dude.
Thank God. Got it in and out. Bullshit signal. See what it did. For real. Just saved
What it did.
$400.
Yeah, literally.
Dollar saved is a
You
dollar
damn near
earned.
say you made it.
Now, dollar saved is a dollar earned. Better believe it.
Mm-hmm.
Especially in this
Better
fucking
believe
business. Alright, cool. I'm about to take a break. Get this shit to 12:30. Let it roll around in its own shit. And be back tomorrow.
Perfect. Sounds good. Perfect execution. If you want, you can go ahead and stop the OBS.
Right,
You get it rolling. Let people know. Broke even. We out. Waiting on further alerts. We'll update tomorrow.
Alright, cool. You guys, you hear it. Hear it from the horse's mouth. We are out of here. Oh, sorry. We are out of here. Getting out of here. Calling it well. Not quite calling it a day. Might get something. If we do, we'll alert you guys in the post chat or whatever. Took a short. Broke even. Got out of that garbage. Max Woods took a short as well.
Small loss.
Small loss. We're looking bullish right now. Overall sentiment is bullish, so trust the trend. Trend is your friend, and yeah, we'll be back 8 a.m. Eastern for episode 2 tomorrow. Twin Peaks live trading. Gonna think of a better name for this. Kind of want to do it a little podcasty, so since we be on here chatting, so start doing the episodes like podcast episodes. So might figure it out as we go, but definitely Gotta give value. Gotta give back. We kick a lot of knowledge in this chat. We're in this Discord every single day. Sometimes at 2 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes 12 a.m. midnight Pacific Standard. You know what I mean? It's like we're in here getting it on and off the camera, but definitely want to share the knowledge, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. About to close up. Thank you for tuning in to episode 1, man. We're out. Shout out to guys. Shout out Max Woods. Shout out, bro.
Yes, sir.
Same time tomorrow.
Same time tomorrow.